What is up guys, Stanley this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add optional attendees in Outlook. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in outlook.live.com. After typing, you will be redirected to the landing page of Microsoft Outlook email. So now if you are new to Outlook email, you need to sign in with your email and password. And if you want to create a new Outlook mail, you can even create that, or if you already have an Outlook mail, you can just type in your Outlook mail and password, and then you will be welcome to this homepage of Outlook. Now, from here on the left side, you can see the calendars icon. Click on it, and then the calendars will open. After opening, select the date when you want to add the meeting to, like for example this day, and then after clicking here you can add the title. After adding the title, you can see at the bottom are the more options. Click on this more options and then it will expand the details of your meeting, and then from here you can see the option of invite attendees, and this is here like the optional button. Click on this optional button and then you need to enter the email address of the optional attendees that you want. So this is how you can add optional attendees in Outlook. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.